Alright, it's AK guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel once again. Today video is you're going to check how you can drain off your transmission oil from Chevrolet Captiva. Yes, Chevrolet Captiva. How you're going to drain it, and then how you fill it, and how you drain it. So this is how you are going to drain your Chevrolet Captiva transmission oil from your gearbox. So let us go on and check this one and see. Let me show you something here. So this is a new engine that I replaced. Here's a new engine, and then the gearbox I replace it is a Captiva engine. So this one, the sensor that I'm talking about is this. You can see this sensor here. This is the sensor I'm talking about. There's it. You remove this one, the socket, then this is the sensor. Just remove the 10 bolts, remove the sensor from it. Then you pour your oil. There's a hole there. So this is the bolt I'm talking about. This is the bolt. You can see that the bolt has 5 edges. So this is how you're going to drain your your transmission oil from your Chevrolet Captiva gearbox. Yes, you can see the under of it. Now there is no bolt here. I wanted to find a bolt here, but there's no bolt here, so I'm going to show you how you do it quickly and to get out your gearbox transmission oil fast and to fill it how you want to do easily. So this is how you want to do it. How you're going to change or drain out your transmission oil. So you can see here, so this is the pipes, right? This is the pipes. This is the pipes connected to the gearbox, right? And this one is going up there. So you need to use your ratchet or 10 spanner. So this is a 10 spanner ratchet holding it, right? So you lose this one. As you set you set a pan under it, you lose it, then you take this one off from the gearbox, right? You take it off from the gearbox to drain out everything from your gearbox, the transmission from your gearbox. As it settles and it cools down, please and please again, don't drain your gearbox oil from gearbox whilst it's hot, right? Pack your car and let it be cooled down before you do that. It's better to pack it the next day before you open to change the gearbox oil and drain it out nicely. So this is how you're going to do it perfectly. Then after cooling down, then you lose this 10 bolts, then you pull this one back, then you get your oil out of the car, then you put it back. Listen to me and listen carefully. If you are pulling it out, there is something inside, the seal inside of this one here, and then the here and here. There's a seal inside, so you're supposed to pull it gradually, slowly, then the seal will not damage. So you pull the seal, you pull it out, then you get your engine, your gearbox oil off from the gearbox. So this is the Chevrolet Captiva gearbox. That's how you wanted to drain out your gearbox. So you pull it out. After that, you fix it back, then you fill your gearbox with the new gearbox oil. That is safety for you. So this is how you're going to drain out your gearbox easily and easily. Don't worry, don't stress yourself. Just take this one off. It's maybe this how it is. You can see here. So after getting this one, yes, you can see this one here. This one is here, right? So this one, that is the gearbox, the real one. So if this one is hard, don't have two for this aspect. For this particular one, yes, for this particular one, yes, it's so this one you lose this one, right? You lose this one, you get everything out from your gearbox. Lose this one, you get everything out from your gearbox. But if you don't have the two of losing this one, this bolt, you come here easily. You come here easily to lose this one and pull this one out, and the oil will come out. Or if you get the bolt, you get the two to lose this particular bolt, you lose this one safely, then you drain all out of your gearbox Captiva. This is gearbox Captiva. This is the car of the Captiva gearbox. If you want to drain out your transmission oil safely, so these are two options. One is here, the one is where the main one, the right channel is here for you. But if you don't have the two, this one is easily accessed. Easily accessed. Then use the 10 to lose this one and pull this one slowly out. Then you get your gearbox oil out from your gearbox. So this is AK guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is a Chevrolet Captiva. Let's see what it's Captiva engine.